In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your daily budget in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click Campaigns from the list. Then click on the Campaigns option and expand it. Now click on Campaigns. Then scroll down and look for the campaign you want to change the daily budget for. You can see the details of the campaign by clicking and dragging the bar right below it, left or right. Next, look for the Budget option and hover over it. You'll see the pen icon appear in front of your budget amount. Now, to change your campaign's budget amount, click on the pen icon. You'll see the budget amount already set. Delete it and enter the amount you want. Then click Save to save the changes. Google Ads will ask you to confirm that it's you requesting the change. Go ahead and verify it. Your campaign will now run using the updated daily budget. And that's it. That's how you change your daily budget in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.